standing. Now someone hit it. Hit the one holding it.
No.
Go. Bye. And re-hold it. And do. Yay! And
Side. We are done here.
Yeah, that's it. No. Shh. Ellie. Do. I want to see it.
Is this a robin?
Yay! It's a feet orange
It's
red.
a baby girl robin.
Why?
It pooped on me.
Okay, it's poo. I want to see the poo.
You heard it.
Shadow, do that again! It's like a fly.
It cannot fly.
You-
Are you guys being nice to the cat? Inside and eat one.
Oh, wait. Hold the tablet.
No.
Okay. Here. Let me carry it.
Whatever. I'm gonna go get my milk. Let me carry it.
Hey, don't do that. If it flaps, it's okay. Remember how I told you?
Wait. I know why.
It is okay.
Hey. A video. Here. Bird. Bird. You would come back. Let me hold it.
No.
You got about half this, Sam.
No.
You're going to kill it.
The mama bird was sitting on the fence and she had a worm in her mouth and she was about to feed one of the babies.
What?
I will hold it.
Just take a video of it just standing.
Oh.
Bird flat. Walking bird. Just hold it. It doesn't care.
Oh no. Distracted.
Just hold it like this.
Okay.
Don't be afraid if it flaps. I said don't be afraid.
No, like this way.
What does birds eat?
No. Don't hold it like that.
Here,
No, I want Vinny to see what she does.
Hold it, a bit of her. Where's doggy? Doggy ran away. Bird is someone pick it up trying.
But can't. This bird is too precious. Scratch bird under cheek. No, more bird things. More bird evolutions. Bird. Scratch chin. Scratch bird's chin. Scratch bird's butt. No, look, look, look. Dancing bird. Bird.
Bet.
Jump.
Oh, bird.
Bird fly.
Bird.
Bird does not want to.
Bird.
Dog bird.
Bird.
Bird dog. Bird pee.
Yeah.
Bird kill.
Damn, that's mean. You're starting to torture it now.
Oh. Let me carry it.
You don't hold it like that. You take your finger.
Like that. Like that.
He's going to start to torture it. Now give it to
No.
No, I said no.
Oh. Hey,
I'm not going to kill that little bird.
Shush.
Hey,
We won't kill it.
yes you are. You're killing it slowly. It needs to be a free bird. It's a wild animal.
It is free.
Put it over the fence.
No. No. No.
Grandma, I want to kill all the birds.
It's about dead.
Let's say goodbye.
No. I do not let that hit me. Hide. No. Come.
It's okay.
No. Shut. Come. No.
It needs to meet its mama bird though.
Mama bird, come back. I have your baby. Oh wait, no, that sounds wrong.